Friends, welcome to my channel Learn Computers. Today our topic is use of AND statement in Python. While running a program, we notice output appears in the next line always. Look at the screen, please. This is a simple while loop which prints a value from 1 to 10. Here we run the code. We notice output appears in next line always. So friends, this is the output 1 to 10. Every digit appears in the next line. So there is a situation we require output to be appear in a single line. For example, 1 to 10, just like that, or output 1 to 10 separated by the hyphen or any other special character. So what we have to do, we use AND statement here. So friends, this is a use of AND statement. Put comma, put AND, assignment operator, single quotes or double quotes. Single quotes begins and single quotes close, or double quotes begin, double quotes close. So friends, we run this code. So this is output 1 to 10 in a same line. Suppose we want to insert a space between every digit. We put space here. Again I run. So this is the output of our current program, 1 to 10 separated by the space. This is output of our previous program. Again we put hyphen, or we put hash or any other character between. So we run this code. Again, this is the output of our code, 1 to 10 preceded by the hash sign. So friends, watch my next video for Python. Watch my more videos to learn Python. Keep learning, keep watching, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.